completed work.
Government finds great pleasure in spending time with his beautiful wife and their two children.
Yeah, this side of them is.
And R5, if you have any questions regarding the weapons, feel free to ask me. And this is smoke grenades. Also, any questions regarding that, feel free to ask me. Instead of worrying about
No, they appreciate you, Granny. They don't.
Then you'll get the opportunity, they'll come up nice and close.
It's a Hawk Mark 120 made by BAE Systems, which is a British company.
These are all those ambulances that you see over there.
Challenges your mental thoughts, your situational awareness, managing the system, being aware of your surroundings.
This aircraft is built to carry serious weight.
Touchdown. Comes down now.
Classic figure 8 stunt. The pilot climbs into a looping ascent, rolls inverted at the top, then descends in a second loop that mirrors the first, finishing with a smooth recovery.
Overberg District Municipality Fire and Rescue Service, Overberg Combined Vehicle, and that's choreographed for him as we get ready to pull up with the aircraft.
Researchers, education strategies, young people, particularly those interested in science.
Swift energy reversal and impressive altitude management. Point of the performance.
So they both have very fancy helmets. Those helmets are a couple of $1 million, believe it. And the front guy is weapon systems. Should have an orange back on it. There he is. That's Spartan.
Then when it's ready, then he commands.
Got fire and rescue. Overberg District Municipality. In front of us, the DK117 Major Selected. This is a very important vehicle. It's a tracking vehicle. This line, he rolls it so nicely. Turns it now. This is one of the aircraft still painted in the original colors. We used 5 in these colors, and we also had a Dakota C-47. The aircraft up nicely.